or the wrong one, let's say, because as I remember, the last time we had old numbers in the system and not the new ones, or the other way around. So I don't know what one of them was the problem, that the link does not fit then to the correct company, and when we have not the right company link or the CRS ID, then you will get a null in the report. So the data is there, and you normally should have then also all information, but I think this was last time the topic when we fixed that.
Yeah, I'm sharing the screen. So the contract I'm mentioning, this one, can you see my screen?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's currently the last one, 241-2, yes, the same. So this was in all this communication when we were fixing the stuff.
Yeah.
And either the problem was not related, or Michael forgot to include this into the files, because we've got the extract, we've updated.
Yeah.
And after the update, two of them look good.
Yeah, okay.
There is still one, so either the problem is different, or we just didn't receive the file required for the manual upload and doing the fix on that.
So the problem currently is still this 25KL 241/2.
Yeah, yes, that's the same. So either it was omitted somehow, or the problem is different, because from the initial discussion that we had, that we've started from November.
Yeah.
It was all the time there, constantly. So from November, this issue is not changed. And then I've got requests. I've got requests here to get this additional information, business partner IDs for the business partner contract file, preparation. So we've got additional alignment what has to be provided, and then I've provided whatever I could from the from the system information, including the address.
That one, because we had that one again last time. I remember that contract. What we had to check, or what Michael and I checked then, and normally it was then there. This was the strange topic, because there was this missing link that they didn't show up.
Maybe there were 3 contracts, and currently there is only 1 contract left. So maybe it didn't work out. So maybe additional analysis on your end is required to figure out why it's null. Yeah. Maybe as usually, as historically prior to our fix on the production, there was this issue that the contracts were there, but there was no application, and the scripts required the application to be present. So now we've changed that. The script is not expecting for the commercial files for the application to be present, and we assume that everything that comes a new one will be without an issue. But we had to clean our closets, and that's the final dead body that we find in our closet that has to be fixed.
Because I remember we had 2 issues. The one issue was that there was missing link in BP contract. Yes. That there was no type 3 and type 7. This was the problem, that you have no link to the company itself. This was one topic, and the other topic was this CRS topic.
CRS, correct.
That there was an old number, the old number in it, and it has no link in the new one. So I think, we have to check. I will contact. I think, Michael will still need 5 minutes. So I think I will align with Michael what he did last time, and whether this contract was in his fix. This was before Christmas, I think. I was already in holiday there. I will check with him if this number was in his checks or in his correction scripts, and then have a look what is missing. Because somewhere I think we have just one linkage missing, then it would appear also with the correct name. I think it's all in the email what you sent. Just have a look then. I think, where is my email? Here is the email. And we will have a look for that last number and have a look that this CRS ID appears. I assume this is the missing CRS link because it's the CRS dealer name what here is missing, and I think this was then the linkage.
Yes, that would be also my assumption because we see now during the month and closing that the dealer comes unrated, so -9.
Yeah.
And we have to do technical adjustment to fix that.
Yeah. So I will check with Michael what he did and what scripts he used there, and have a look for that last one for this contract number, and I think then we should find a solution for that.
Yeah, it would be good to just close the topic as soon as possible.
Yeah,
our CFO is already kind of unhappy with the amount of time that it's taking.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So we will have a look on that last one and hopefully find a solution for that. I need to check with him the scripts what we did, because I thought it was in his scripts. Maybe there was an issue. Let's see. So I will do that with him, and hopefully we can do this as soon as possible.
Yes, thank you very much. Highly appreciate if we can have the fix today so we can upload and see the results tomorrow.
Yeah, we need to see what time we have because a lot of other things are ongoing, but I promise we will have a look on that as soon as possible.
Yes, highly appreciated. The topic is soon will be 1 year old because the first time we identified issues was April, May 25. And from that time we are trying to fix them.
And the problem what we already have is we checked that also with the ODS where this problem is coming from. But up to now, also I was in contact with Sahindra with the ODS system, and it seems there is somewhere an issue that causes this missing link, or that the date a field is not updated correctly, and this is a very complicated topic because it happens, as it seems, not each time.
That's this is a little bit legacy. So with Florian Pils, even prior to his few months leave, we've already investigated and Florian identified that the problem is that there are contracts and there is no applications.
Yeah.
So for example, for Pulsar Moto, we did before the last one, we did the kind of the experiment when we artificially added application and the link, and then he mentioned that in theory all other required connections and linking tables can be created, but I said no, we have to have sustainable solution for that to work. And after that time we've had some those null cases, but what we did with the team, with Evgeny and IT, they investigated the SQL script that is being used on the ODS end, and they found out that there is requirements for the application to be present. If not, there are kind of the other path of the link and tables creation triggered, and for that we've added exception that for the commercial finance CFB the application is not required, and I think that after that we will not expect issues. So if we even go step backwards, most probably somehow when the applications were when the connection between our backend CFT and the ODS was the online views and database to database connection, somehow everything was working. But then when we switched to the files, maybe somewhere there were some inconsistencies and issues. We fixed that with that one update on the production environment, and it seems that it's working. And now we are, as I said, we're just cleaning out our closet, and that's the only one that's left. If we fix that, and we have issues, most probably the nature of the issues will be different, like maybe missed product line map update or whatsoever that is assumed to be done manually. But that's something that we are kind of aware of. We have kind of the procedure how to request the data and what to update. There we can do stuff. But with that last one, null one, and that's something we cannot do. So we have to rely 100% on you, and really looking forward for the fix for that last.
Hopefully we can do this as soon as possible. That we have also that one fixed and with the right CRS ID. And I think it was last time. I think we discussed about that contract also. There was, let me check that with Michael. We had a discussion about that contract. I remember it in, there was some issue with that. Okay.
So let's have a look and then reach out if you need any additional information. We'll do our best to get that for you.
Yeah, we need to check that. I think it was something related to either an old CRS ID or something like that. I will check that with Michael, and
yes,
then we will come back to you.
Wonderful. So looking forward for your feedback.
Yeah, perfect.
Thank you very much.
Very short question, colleagues. Just to use the opportunity we are all in. Robert, Oliver, in our another trail regarding balance platform data upload, Oliver is asking us whether we need month-end closing. Yeah, so I guess not, or do we need for this that we deliver data to integration? So colleagues are triggering full load from ODS to RCM int. So the question from Oliver is, do we need a month-end closing? And if yes, for what months? I'm not sure. Do we need or not?
Give me 5 seconds. Do we need month-end closing? For the month-end closing?
We can give you even more. So I just.
We did the full upload from the CFT, correct?
It's a regular daily data load. So
yes. January month and closing.
January
processing. January month and closing.
Yeah.
And then the daily pushing.
Today
we have one contract.
Yeah.
Today we have one contract. So that's something that is really critical for us, because the actual testing is referring to that one contract that today was disbursed. And I assume that today at night there will be a data file upload for the int to the ODS with that single contract from the new business that I would like to see tomorrow on int. So I would say that month and closing January. Yes?
But this is done today. We will upload this data today. Okay, then we will have to do the processing
daily tomorrow.
Okay, I will contact Sahindra because he will do this from ODS side, and because he told me he needs to check some data on ODS additionally, that everything works fine. I will contact him here. Then we will do tomorrow the load from ODS to RCM and do the processing.
Wonderful. Then I will see in the processing report in the Tableau int too that the will be completed. I see that report. So I see that everything was
tomorrow. I don't know when Sahindra is doing that. I will contact him, and then it takes a little bit, and then I will.
Yeah, sure.
When the processing is done, I will contact you.
Yeah, sure. Of course, the int environment most probably the performance is a bit lower than the production.
Yeah, we will see.
Because we have no time, so I assume that it will take several hours.
Yeah.
Hi. Good. Okay. Agreed.
Perfect.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Take care. Bye.
Have a great day. Bye.